Hi gamers! In this video, let's find step-by-step guide to obtain infinite coupons in Stalker 2. Players can exploit a glitch that allows them to repeatedly gain money through trading. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to perform this glitch effectively. Requirements platform. This glitch primarily works on PC. Console players may need to connect a mouse item. A stackable item such as ammo or consumables is required. Examples include water, beer, and energy drinks, anti-radiation, drugs, grenades, bread, and sausages. Steps to execute the glitch. First, visit a merchant. Put any trader in the game. A commonly used merchant is Hamster, located in the town of Zalzayat. Second, select an item. Choose a stackable item from your inventory that you want to sell. Third, initiate trading. Drag the selected item into the sell section of the trading menu. Click on the Sell All button when prompted. Step 4. Perform the glitch. Quickly drag the item back from the sell section into your inventory before confirming the sale. You should see an increase in the item's selling price when you do this correctly. Complete the transaction. Click Confirm it to complete the sale. After confirming, click on Return All to get back your original item along with the coupons earned from the transaction. Repeat. You can repeat this process multiple times to accumulate as many coupons as you desire. That's it for the video. Hope you got value from this.